How do I enable two-factor authentication in Hostinger? So I'm going to show you in this video. So what you're going to have to do here is just to click on login. Let's click on login, and then we're going to have to click on our profile right here and we see accounts. So let's click on account here. And here we're going to select security. So let's select security, and then we can enable mobile two-factor authentication. First, we can enable, let's say, this one first, the mobile application method, or with email. You will receive a confirmation code to your email. You can enable this, will be used for identification, right? So yeah, one of those authentication factors you can use on Hostinger. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.